morning. It's Wednesday, 10th of December, and this is your ETX Capital Daily Market Bite. Emphatic volatility did return to the market yesterday. Asian shares, the dollar and oil prices all slumped on Wednesday, pulling back as global growth concerns and political uncertainty in Greece did prompt a flight to safety in such assets as gold. The S&P 500, however, did retrace. Energy shares and tech stocks did push that up. Apple closed up over 1% also. S&P ended up closing at 2059, down only 2.02%. The Dow, however, did drop 0.29% to 17,801.2. Looking at the FX markets, the dollar is down about 0.5% on the day to 119.04 yen, after shedding more than 2% at one point on Tuesday, trade as low as 117.90 yen. The greenback did mark a 7-year high of 121.86 yen on Monday. The euro added about 0.2% on the day to buy 123.91. The Aussie dollar flew as high as 83.71 from a 4.5-year trough of 82.23 before lapsing back to about 83.20. Looking at commodities, Brent crude slipped again to about 0.8% to 66.29 a barrel, though it did pile losses and remain well above the 5-year low of 65.29 touched on Tuesday. US crude futures were also down 1% to 63.18. Of course, oil prices have been under pressure since the OPEC meeting a few Thursdays ago, deciding not to cut the oil supply. Looking at the gold markets now, of course, I mentioned that investors did kind of flee to safety. Spot gold added 0.5% to 1237.23 an ounce after making a 7-week high. Equity Standard Chartered will face another 3 years of scrutiny by US prosecutors for compliance. That was announced this morning. It is trading up 0.5% on the day to 1463. Looking now at Serco, British outsourcer has signed a £1 billion contract to continue running Australia's onshore immigration detection services. The company said on Wednesday that's trading at 4.32% to 171.64. Looking at data today, we have trade balance data coming out of the UK at minus 9.5 billion, and then we have crude oil inventories at 3.5 in the US at looking at around minus 2.6 million estimated figure. Today the open have the FTSE at 6,500, the DAX at 98.55 and the CAC at 42.92.